Now, just like Gagné has his 9 elements of instruction, the constructivist theory has methods of instruction as well. These methods are micro-world and hypermedia designs, collaboration and problem solving, goal-based scenarios and problem-based learning, and software shells and course management tools. All of these methods involve computer programming and collaboration with others through the use of technology, which is quite different than we've seen with the other theories thus far. The O'Donnell article addressed the constructivist theory in regards to special needs learners. All of the suggestions or teaching techniques mentioned are techniques that are beneficial for all students. These include tutoring, including having the special needs student tutor other students in their area of strength. Also, lots of teacher modeling, positive support and encouragement, and inquiry-based activities. Moving on to my critique of the two theories. I believe the strongest aspect of the instructivist theory is the 9 events of instruction, which is still in use in educational systems today. The instructivist theory also takes into account motivation, prior schema, and whole body or muscle memory. The only weaknesses I've discovered through my research so far is that using just one system or program is never a good idea. There are many other strategies that can be used in conjunction with this instructivist theory to make learning even deeper. For the constructivist theory, I believe students would have higher motivation because they're allowed to study what interests them. The constructivist approach also seems to put learners in real-world type situations where students have to solve problems. This will better prepare students for real problems in the real world. On the downside, the constructivist theory is not realistic in public schools where students are tested on the mastery of certain skills. Depending on student interest, large learning gaps could be created. For example, what if a student just isn't interested in learning money or budgeting? In conclusion, both theories have beneficial strategies to use when teaching, and when teaching students new learning, many different methods or theories should be utilized. Additional areas to study would be additions to the lesson cycle and brain-based research on each of the components of the lesson cycle. For example, the objective. It was mentioned in the Driscoll text that research showed that the objective didn't make much of a difference in learning. It also mentioned that the data on this could be skewed due to several different variables. I believe that the objective is an important part of a lesson and would like to further research this. I would also like to look more into the term essential skills. This is a system that we're beginning at our school. I would like to do more research to show how important these essential skills can be when talking about those learning gaps and how they can grow even bigger when those essential standards are not met. And that about wraps up Module 4 Critical Review on Instructivism and Constructivism. I pulled my information from the Driscoll text and the O'Donnell article. Thank you.